नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल। आज हमारे साथ हैं एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट। इनका नाम है पूर्वा जी एंड जितना ही इनका नाम सुंदर है, इनकी बातें और इनका नीश उससे भी ज़्यादा सुंदर है। जब मैं बात करती हूँ सुंदरता की, तो हमें पता है संसार में सबसे जो सुंदर चीज़ है वो है एक माँ बनने की खुशी, मदरहुड की जर्नी। एंड जो आज हमारे साथ स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं, वो मदरहुड की जर्नी, कैसे हम वूम में लीडर्स को बॉर्न कर सकते हैं, कैसे ये ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी हम लिव कर सकते हैं, उसके बारे में बताएंगे। आई वेलकम यू पूर्वा जी।
आत्मा नमस्ते, थैंक यू सो मच मेहर।
आप हमारे दर्शकों को बताइए कि आपने जो नीश चुनी है मदरहुड के बारे में, कंसेप्शंस के बारे में, ये नीश ऐसा क्या आपकी लाइफ में रहा जर्नी कि आपने इतनी अलग नीश चुनने का फैसला लिया?
Like it says life doesn't come with a manual, it comes with a mother. Everybody जो इस दुनिया में जन्म लिया है, everybody comes from a mother, with a mother. And mother, she is also called as Jagat Janani, Nirmata. She is the one जो निर्माण करती है. So for me, my journey to motherhood took me 10 years and I went through a lot of ups and downs. And when I realized it was not about the outer world, whatever was saying, but a journey inwards, a journey of energies and alignment, that's when I conceived after getting aligned with this. So conception, I would say, is not just about biology. It is a lot more. It is about alignment. It is about energies. Just like a farmer who raises a crop, if he wants to raise a crop of a rice, then he is going to put in rice. He's going to take care of the soil. He's going to nurture it, nourish it, and then will come the crop. And similarly, I feel preparing for pregnancy consciously, mindfully is something everyone must do. Just like शादी करते हैं, शादी में they'll take care of each and every small thing, right from the dress to jewelry, everything is taken care of. What clothes they are going to wear, they are stepping into a role of being a husband and wife where they are planning each and everything. Then why not motherhood?
मैंने ऐसा सुना है कि मदरहुड की जर्नी सिर्फ वो 9 months की जर्नी नहीं होती है. इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग जर्नी, इवन आफ्टर बीइंग अ मदर, इवन आफ्टर हैविंग अ किड. तो उसके मतलब हाउ कैन वी मेक आवर किड्स अ लीडर राइट फ्रॉम द डे वी नो वी आर प्रेग्नेंट टिल वी हैव द चाइल्ड इन आवर हैंड्स?
I would say motherhood doesn't start when you see those 2 pink lines. Everyone says like, I'm pregnant only when you see those two pink lines. But it starts way forward. It starts when you actually start preparing your mind, body and soul for that huge journey which is going to come, to step into that role. And even in our ancient texts, it has been said कि yes, motherhood is not just about getting pregnant, but it is also about preparing yourself for this journey to enter. And the whole 9th month is a time where a lot of subconscious changes happen. Subconscious implants are done in the baby from the mother. इसीलिए कहते हैं किसी को भी मिलो, if you see she is pregnant, कोई भी उसको देख के कहेगा कि खुश रहो, अच्छा खाओ पियो. Everybody tells about this कि yes, this is how you should be, a joyful, positive, someone who speaks good. So those are the virtues which are said right, not just in pregnancy but quite before that.
आप मुझे बताइए और हमारे दर्शकों को बताइए कि कौन से ऐसे इमोशंस हैं विच अ मदर गोज थ्रू. मैंने ऐसा सुना है कि जैसे प्रेगनेंसी में क्रेविंग्स बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, कभी भी रोना आ जाता है, कभी भी कुछ हो जाता है, तो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा केयर देना पड़ता है. तो ऐसा क्या इमोशनल गो थ्रू है?
मदरहुड itself is an emotion. It's an emotion of love. So when you are in motherhood, hormonal changes are happening. You are producing a human. So pregnancy is not just about reproducing. It is about having it consciously. So इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि हाँ, आप अपने मन पे ठहराव लाओ, be calm, be cool, don't go in places which will give you negativity. So emotions play a very huge role in terms of motherhood. Like the way the mother thinks, speaks, things she does play a tremendous role. I would love to give 2 examples over here. One, you can say of Ravan. His mother was a demoness and his father was a sage. Though Ravan was very much well versed in all Shastras, Vedas, but ultimately what did he become? He became into a demon. I am not saying कि it's not a but the way he molded into a person. So a mother's emotions shape a child. The womb is the first school for the child where the subconscious imprints are made. So emotions play a very major role in the life of a woman when she steps into motherhood. All whatever she does, speak, eat, say, interact with people. And similarly, you can take example of Bhakta Prahlada. Bhakta Prahlada, his father was Hiranyakashipu, who was a demon. But during her pregnancy, she stayed in an ashram. She stayed in Narad Munika ashram, and where she used to keep on doing the jap Narayan, Narayan, and similar thing came in Bhakta Prahlada. He was a Vishnu Bhakta, and there are stories about Bhakta Prahlada, Holika, so everyone knows about it. You know, though he was in an environment, his mother chose to stay in ashram. So a mother's emotions, a mother's mental being, well-being is very important.
बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कहते हैं अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसीज, आई एम नॉट रेडी टू बिकम अ मदर, व्हाट विल हैपन, विल आई बी एबल टू बी अ मदर, अ गुड मदर. और इतनी बुक्स हैं मार्केट में, हाउ टू बी अ गुड मदर, मैनुअल गाइड्स हैं. तो एक तो आप प्लीज थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसीज एंड दोज मैनुअल्स विच मेक गुड मदर्स. आर दे रियल? डू दे रियली मेक गुड मदर्स?
देर आर मदर्स, इसीलिए तो उसको निर्माता कहते हैं. देर आर मदर्स, ग्रेट लीडर्स, ग्रेट थिंकर्स आर बोर्न आउट ऑफ ग्रेट मदर्स. Mothers who have had their emotional balance during the entire journey. And if you talk about unwanted pregnancies, those are something unplanned. So conscious conception, that's why comes into play of, it is not just about getting pregnant. It is about creating with an intention of creating a human being who is wonderful, who is going to be a great leader, who is going to be a great thinker, and doing it mindfully and consciously. So I would say, yes, when it comes to motherhood, stepping into that journey, you should take that step being very conscious.
Beautiful. ये हमारा था आज का एपिसोड, that how mother is a warrior. But before we end this episode, this podcast session, I would like to ask a question to all of you. हम कितनी बार जाके अपने मदर्स को बोलते हैं आई लव यू? हम कितनी बार जाते हैं और मदर्स को हग करते हैं? कितनी बार जाते हैं और मम्मी को बोलते हैं कि आज हम आपके साथ बैठते हैं और टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं? ये पूरा एपिसोड it was done to tell all of you कि how a mother is such a beautiful warrior and how the journey of a motherhood can be explained beautifully in these few minutes. But at last, पूर्वा जी, अगर हमें आपसे पूछना हो कि ऐसा क्या टेक अवे है, अगर कितनी मदर्स हमारा एपिसोड देख रही होंगी, क्या ऐसा टेक अवे है जो आप उन मदर्स को बताना चाहोगे या उनको एक लेसन देना चाहोगे फ्रॉम योर ब्यूटिफुल जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ?
Those who are struggling to conceive and step into motherhood, I would love to tell them, first thing, your body is not broken and you're not broken. You are powerful. Just trust in your body, trust in the wisdom of your body, and do it consciously, because getting pregnant and creating with an intention are two different things. So create with an intention of bringing about a great leader, a great thinker, and it all starts with you. You are going to create the future generations. As a woman, you are the key to create this wonderful human being.
तो ये था हमारा आज का एपिसोड जिसमें हमारे साथ एक ब्यूटीफुल गेस्ट थी. हम मिलेंगे आपके साथ एक नए पॉडकास्ट के एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू कीप फॉलोइंग पूर्वा जी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. पूर्वा जी, आप अपना इंस्टाग्राम आईडी बता दीजिए हमारे दर्शकों को.
I am possible. It's the Instagram ID, and also we have a YouTube which is The Mom Academia, and you can follow us on Substack too.
Thank you.